Welcome back. Today, we're giving our AI agents a massive upgrade, making them efficient, thoughtful, and super secure. We'll breeze through Chapter 16 on resource optimization, Chapter 17 on reasoning, and Chapter 18 on guardrails.
So Chapter 16, Resource-Aware Optimization, lets agents smartly juggle their compute, time, and money budgets.
Think of it like a smart project manager, handing out tasks while strictly watching the clock and wallet.
The system has to choose, do we use a fast, cheap model or a heavy-duty, expensive one here?
A router agent figures out how hard the request is, and a critique agent double-checks the final answer.
Moving to Chapter 17 on reasoning. This is all about making the agent's internal thought process totally transparent.
Instead of just guessing, they actually build clear step-by-step plans before acting. It really builds user trust. Take the React loop. First, the AI generates a literal thought process to carefully plan its next move.
Next, it takes an action. Then it observes the result, looping over and over until it nails it.
For super complex logic, agents use advanced reasoning frameworks like COT, COD, GOD, and PAL.
Chain of thought logically breaks down steps, while PAL literally writes code to solve tricky math problems.
Then we've got chain of debates and graph of debates, where the AI basically argues with itself. Which brings us to Chapter 18. Once an agent is smart and efficient, we must keep it safe. We literally have to limit the blast radius. If an error happens, we protect our critical stuff. So we add human oversight, rollback buttons, and super strict input validation. Just in case. The absolute golden rule, the principle of least privilege. Give the agent only the exact permissions it needs.
We're evolving from basic chatbots into highly accountable digital contractors bound by super strict terms.
It all comes down to trust. So, are you ready to hand over your critical missions to AI?